There is a small hotel, and they call it the Manta Ray. It's a place that I know well. It's nestled among the palm trees.
Welcome to the Manta Ray Inn, a superior small lodging, white glove, award-winning property directly on the ocean in Hollywood, Florida. Our family has owned and operated the Manta Ray Inn for the past 20 years.
Oh, the Manta Ray.
Hi, I'm Donna. This is my husband, Dwayne. This is my son, Thomas, and my daughter, Michelle. We're here to ensure that you have a wonderful getaway. Whether you're here on business or you're here on a well-deserved getaway, we are here to serve you. Our 1- and 2-bedroom apartments on the ocean have fully equipped kitchens, flat-screen TVs, free Wi-Fi inside and out. We provide free daily maid service, free designated parking in our private parking lot, an on-site office for your convenience, nighttime security, and laundry facilities. What could be better? Your home away from home. Our 2 gas grills, heated swimming pool, relaxing chaise lounges, and fluffy towels are all here for your enjoyment. We are just 2 blocks south of the Hollywood Broadwalk and 6 blocks north of the Westin Diplomat. It's been our pleasure to welcome guests from all over the world to the Manta Ray Inn, and we look forward to welcoming you.
Whenever we drive down for a visit, there's parking right here. The beach is obviously right there. It's a beachfront property, which is amazing.
Family-friendly environment, and all the guests are amazing to hang out with.
We love the personal service that Donna and Dwayne provide, the cleanliness of the hotel and the apartments. They're so comfortable, and everything you need is right at your fingertips.
Couldn't ask for a nicer place to stay.
Packed my bags, I'm on my way back to the Manta Ray.